In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly sync Asana to Google Calendar with two-way updates. This is a really handy feature, especially if you want to see your Asana tasks alongside your daily schedule on Google Calendar. It's not only efficient, but also ensures that your task management is cohesive and streamlined. So let's dive in and get started with these easy to follow steps. First, you'll want to head over to Asana and sign into your account. This is the basic entry point, and it's important because you need to access the specific project that you want to sync. Once you're logged in, take a moment to navigate your way to the project you wish to sync. Have a mental note or even a written list of the project names that you want to appear on your calendar. This helps ensure clarity and prevents any mix-ups later on. When you've selected your project, look towards the top right corner next to the project name. You'll find a drop-down arrow or the export print option there. Clicking this is crucial as it provides several functionalities, one of which is the ability to sync your projects. From the list that appears, select Sync to Calendar. This option is designed to facilitate the seamless integration between Asana and your calendar applications. Once you click Sync to Calendar, a link will be generated just for you. This URL is what connects your Asana project with Google Calendar. Copy this URL carefully as it's the key element in this entire process. Next, make your way over to Google Calendar and log in if you haven't already. When you're logged in, take a glance at the left panel on your screen. You're looking for other calendars. Once you find it, click on it and then select from URL. This section is specifically meant for adding new calendars from online sources. In the next step, you'll paste that copied URL from Asana into the box provided. Double check the URL to ensure it's correct, then hit Add Calendar. By clicking this, you will effectively be linking your Asana project with your Google Calendar. Now you should be able to see your tasks present on Google Calendar. It's worth noting that updates in Asana will automatically reflect in your Google Calendar. However, it's important to be aware that this synchronization might take a few hours to fully update. This delay is normal, so don't worry if changes don't appear immediately. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to sync your Asana project with Google Calendar, allowing you to manage your tasks and schedule in one place. With this two-way syncing feature, any new task or update in Asana will keep you up to date in your calendar. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.